Hi peeps, it's Ashley. Today what we're going to be doing is opening up my box from Pam. She's Pam's Planty Things on PAMMYS Plant Things on YouTube and now on Instagram because she changed her name. I think it used to be the PMN Plant Mom, and now it's PAMMYS Planty Things. But yeah, Pam is so sweet, and she reached out to me on originally through email, and we connected on Instagram, and here we are doing a plant swap, and I'm so excited. So let's just get into the box. So I have a knife here. Oh, I had to go down to the kitchen. I'm at my parents' house. So I had to run and go and get that. Wait, let me try and take off the tape because it looks pretty thick on here. So yeah. Uno momento. Okay, so I finally got open the box, and this is what it looks like when you open it. Let me see. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so the first thing I'm getting out is a peperomia. Dropped it. I got a peperomia obtusifolia, and that's one thing I forgot to do is label mine. So you're gonna see that when you watch her video, and you guys should totally go over to her channel and, you know, comment and give her some love because she's so nice. And she's also doing she's uploading her plant swap video as well. So yeah, go over and see what I gave her. Ooh, there's a rooted. Oh, how cool. Oh, it's so cute. Ah, that's so cute. He looks like a Gus. I'm gonna name him Gus. This is my little peperomia obtusifolia named Gus. If you saw my plant tour, or my house plant tour, I have a variegated one, but I don't have a regular one. So now I have a regular one. That's so cute. Okay, next is, ooh, a string of turtles. We love a string of turtles. I really love this plant actually because it grows. Okay, I see something I've been wanting. But I'm gonna keep on opening this one. But yeah, I love string of turtles. How cute. These look so healthy. Wow, it's a lot of them. Oh, wow. Thanks, Pam. Ah! So cute. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I've been wanting. And this is a bridal veil vine. The first time I saw this plant was on Harley's G's channel, and she said that it grows really quickly, and it's made me want it ever since. So now I have it. Aww. It looks a little wilted, but it's okay. So we're gonna take this out really quick. So this is the cuttings, and it has like the purple undersides, if you can see. Does it show up? Yeah, it does. Yeah, but it looks purple on the back sides, which I think looks really cool. So got that. Aww. I also got, this one's not labeled, but I know what it is. It is a Sansevieria. Now, what type of Sansevieria? I have no clue. Don't know. But this one's cute. Oh, is it a bird's nest? Looks like a bird's nest. Not sure. Looks cute though. Oh. Thanks, Pam. I know I'm gonna be saying thanks, Pam, all throughout this video. I know. It's just because I'm thankful and I love plants. Next up, I just took that one out. Next up, I got a Persian shield. How cute. This one, I've been actually eyeing. Every time I go to Homeward Nursery, they have these as a landscape plant. And it looks so beautiful. And it looks so metallic and purple. Just beautiful. That's so cute. Yes. Okay. I love that. Let's see. What is this? Peperomia serpents. Oh, cool. I think I've been seeing this plant on Instagram in like the cute little ceramic pots that they always have. I'm like, huh. But this plant is so cute. Oh, oh my gosh. Ah! I just love plants, you guys. Can you tell? Oh, it doesn't matter what plant it is. I love it. Oh, it's a bug. Hi, little buggy. Do you see him? Okay. You can go onto the napkin. Where'd he go? Did I drop him? Oh, shit. Crap. I dropped him. Or did he fly away? I don't know. Either way. Wherever he went. I think he got scared. But anyways, Peperomia serpents. Ooh. Let's see. Cebu blue. Cool. I love Cebu blue. Aww. These are so cute. I have to put this one with mine. And then there'll be a family. How cute. Look how big this leaf is. That's a big one. It does. But I think that's it. Thank you so much, Pam. I love them all. And there's the box. We are done. But yeah, I'm so grateful for all my little new plant babies. I think, what's my favorite? I really love them all. This is really cute though, the Peperomia serpents. And the bridal veil, I love. Ah, thank you so much, Pam. So you guys go over to her channel and comment, Planting the World Red sent you, or Ashley sent you, or whatever you want to comment. Either way, like her video, give her some love, and yeah, I will see you guys next time. Mwah! Goodbye, lovers.